Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Mo baby akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Andra made the reports by a trace NDC4 will be best legal battle a woman easy. Ko ewo Techiman South ye abatuo ne ho no anwanwade bi esiye ene se wenchi high court ho a wo mo koye no na NDC4 a prepare generators. In fact asiedun ketia a prepare generators mienu a wo di free in kan ha say e de call ho na eye nkrofo wanwa because omonim se court ho de yendum light ne krane nyame anim omo call court a wo mo ekọ check EC omo ko inspect EC document no na light no call off nti nanka wo mo ya akase wo mo entu eye activity no enhyeda it will be a delay na eno na se dun ketia bie na no ka se hwe ewe he with the generators mienu bae with the electricians mienu nso aba bisanso generator no fuel egu ni nemu ma ayema bisanso the extra fuel gallons 4 aka ho nti eno ne de mo ye ne den se ye dum light o ye ndum light o ye be connect me generator no na trese ye nya light na de atua dwumadie ne so nkrofo fi se ya agro ne krane nyame ni mo kwa abonten a se asiedu nketia ne kre ne electricians no eyi generator yi ato fom ho ema wo mo air connect omo connect ye nso ema NDC4 etia ejuma ne so na endra na nkrofo bebre na ebo asiedu nketia abaso na mebetena hase na meka se dabi there is something se asiedu nketia betumi aye bibisa na trese ebia na prophet bia kan bibia trena na se wono na wenya asotre se dabi bibisa besi because it is not common. This is the first time I see you don't get your sir. It is not common say wo call quarter. Now wa faka e di wechi pick up. Na pick up no the generator mienu. Wo the fuel gallon. Wa fill generator ni now. Wo the fuel gallon 4, electrician 2 account. Ah wo di omo efi nkran ha say akọ eye wenchi. It is not common sir. Inti ebia na see don't get ya wenya information bi. Etiefo NDC legal team member I feno lawyer Ibrahim Abraham Amaleba wode nsem aba betudwa na nsem a wo kanina etrese yes omo enya information se ade a ebesi no isi no wo mo betry se wo mo ebe sabotage wo mo intia na wo mo nso yes I'll read the story so that you guys know what's going on baba sre and that your first time wa subscribe and click the notification bell on so we latest news be about once ebeka we have a new YouTube channel na link no e comment box mo enche Ghana fo na muni na mo send mo your friends saying mo recordings no any videos a mo pese ye kan ho asem ni na no ye de ni na ebeto eye sa channel ne so link no e comment box mo as I said it's a click na subscribe e man into no quickly no yanko eye ensem ni mu now let me read the article. Senya midin country amono. Article nini o say lawyer Abraham Amaleba of the opposition NDC has revealed how and why the party prepared logistically in advance before going to Wenchi to inspect electoral commission documents for the Techiman South constituency parliamentary results. As according to him, the party got wind of possible sabotage with respect to power outages in a bid to disrupt the exercise that had been ordered by a Wenchi High Court that is hearing a petition on the outcome of the parliamentary votes in the constituency. Into way a NDC lawyer now someone NDC lawyer can say party no enyantiye say sabotage bi ebeba ye ka say sabotage abroni ka say sabotage atrese se opese wo ya ade na wo bi etina echi a wono nso ye nyama bi na ade no enkoso totin nti wo say yes party no enyantiye se enkrofu bia yo maje se wo mo be sabotage the processes so what they will do is say wo be she dey doom light wo mo doom light na ye be ka so yentun sheda sa next time mo ban so asa na ebeye na afi case no asende eko asende yenko asende eko obo so case na kwa akoda ne foolish case nti omo ebo awo mo ho o say Amaleba who is director of legal affairs nti Amaleba no the position no he's not just any person. Into Wakasa, I was someone who say yes, he's speaking with information. He's the director of the legal affairs at NDC headquarters. Now, as some way, Okatre joined News for in an interview. Now, some of our kind of say the photocopying was done on our pickup. I say photocopy no more no. Omo pickup now omo de koye no. Ehon no more photocopy no. With our color photocopier together with our generator. So I suspect that the reason why they were delayed and not going into the registrar's office was they were communicating with the electricity people so that they could put the light off at a certain point. Now, this is a lawyer and he's bringing out huge allegations. Was say Embra easy eba no. Na say easy for originally no wo mobile late 1 hour. I say don't tell my head I say easy for no wo mobile late 1 hour late. Na yes easy for no ba late nso no. Na afa wo mo be so be call registrar's office so akwa akoye ade no. Inti di amaleba e kan say ubehu ni say easy for no be do late no. Ehwa na mo frɛ electricity for no. Etre electricity for no say ya baba bedu o inti no kanea no. Monya na monya den mundum no. This is what the NDC lawyer, the director of NDC Legal Affairs, is alleging. And Yamen America. Also, he explained further that the courts gave us up to 4:30 p.m. and so at 4, they would have said that you are not able due to light out fault, but we had also outsmarted them. Into say court no emo by 4:30. Court no more 4:30. It's by 4 o'clock no. Umbehu ni say yes. Court no beka say okay, yema mo time. Na yaba. Yan court no beka say yema time na yaba say yembe ye adwuma na yeba no bodum light it na your fault. I say but NDC for outsmart wo mo. Also the party's parliamentary candidate is challenging the parliamentary vote in the 2020 election. So this is what is going on. Inti asem no ni nani asem ni na no NDC for allege say omunyantie say de isi no ebeye ni ne kre wo mo koye nso ade a isi no eyeye no eno no now wo mo allege the electricity for ni na ka ho. You see, and I hope say this is not the scenario. And I hope this is not the scenario because the NDC have been successful to paint a picture towards the EC in the 2020 elections, especially the general elections. And Yebeka say in January, the elections, the 2020 general elections, and then especially the Techiman South constituency elections. We showed the picture NDC is painting now. And then it's as if say the EC is also playing along. NDC for somewhere one more at least nanka EC for so one more side we see something different and Quebec so NDC for keke and ebia one more feeling paranoid one more kasansem no. But it looks like the EC is also playing along. And it started with Embra NDC for the one more pink sheets barbon saying after the elections. I can say EC yen who Techiman South constituency pink sheet no EC amagana for who pink sheet no. From then and I Ghana for sure as Dabi. And the NDC for story our more Canadian and the Crewum. Sir, is your ma will be a whooping shit na till say NDC for a chin assembly a court. Omoko court and so court echo or die say easy. One ma NDC for a who original document no easy and penny. One ma NDC for who original document no and some a court judge no what dear before. Esanso be ma order no foforo na wo twa sika eto isi no so say hey muntia NDC for no adenti na moya sa so it's as if say yes NDC for nsem a wo mo kan na no e kan yen kwa someone like me a nanka the EC will prove them wrong nanka ye hu ni say oh NDC for no nsem bi keke no mo kan but it's as if the EC is also in a way playing alongside with what NDC for ne kan no woka krana wo pese wo kebi ma EC krana enye ye hwa asem asese a NDC for kan show ebesi den na NDC for air court esida general elections general petition wo mo court no unhu say NDC for the generator any petrol buy. Baby said no more call Wenchi High Court na NDC for the generator photocopier machine ni bibia colored photocopier machine ni bibia ba. Why? Because wo munyante ye say ade ebesini nekre send ya wo munyante ye say easy ebeba late nekre easy ne ba late send na wo munyante ye say wo mu bedum light nti wo mu abo mo ho no nekre light ne so echo out. In some way, ubisa nkrofo eho na ase ade no onti ase in some way bin ti akwa yes the EC is also helping the NDC with their story. And some of us we don't like it that way, but the abano and then be report unless the EC for no eba bonten the official communique ebe to just say the NDC for can form hu na no eyentro unless that. But I don't know, meaning the air coso. Won't you want your comment box ni mu, but that's it.